When buyers are looking for a home, they're looking for homes in a good area, good location in downtown. They are looking for amazing schools. They want a good deal, and they want to love and a great community. That community is here. That home is right here. Let's show it to you. Welcome to Belterra. I absolutely love this community, and I'm going to show you all the reasons why. I'm also going to show you our newest listing here. This is 140 Manchester, and it is a 2,800 square foot, 2-story home. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and the views on this home are absolutely stunning. I helped my clients buy this home a couple years ago, and you know what? They loved it. I'm going to show you all the reasons why they loved it so you can fall in love with it as well. So as you see right off the front, this is a bedroom. It's actually more of an office, but this is right off the front. It is wood floors, and it's wood floors throughout the main. So what's great about this is you're not going to have carpet downstairs. Your carpet's going to be upstairs, which we'll show you in a second. But this is a fantastic office right up front. There's a storage space right there to the left we just passed by. You also have a full bath right here. There's a half bath on the other side that we're going to show you. And they really loved having this full bath because if you're going to have anybody in the downstairs bedroom, which we're going to show you in a second, you have this full bath right here for them. So this is great. Belterra is a great community as well. I can't wait to show you more Belterra. So this is a 2006 build home with some upgrades to it. So you're seeing all the upgrades here. Great size bathroom for your bedroom right here. So this could really be a nursery. It could be anything for you, but it also could be a great bedroom downstairs and then your office right next to it. Again, this is a 4-bedroom. You're gonna see the 2 bedrooms upstairs. You can make this bedroom you can make the other bedroom your bedroom down or another bedroom up. I'll show you in a second. But great space here for a bedroom. They kind of use this as an office space as well, as a flex office space, which is great because Belterra, you're 25 minutes to downtown Austin. So it's kind of cool that this is like the perfect neighborhood to work from home and have, a great community, which I can't wait to show you the community. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. All right, as we walk out of this bedroom, you're gonna see the stairs to the left there. What's great about this is it is an open concept home. So look, you walk in, you have the dining right here. On the other side of this wall right there is actually a half bath, which we'll show you in a second. But you could use this as a flex space. You could use this as a dining area. You can use this as kind of whatever you want, which is great. They use it as their dining room area. And what's cool from here, you're gonna get the views. Oh yeah, we haven't really talked about all the cool views that you get in this home yet, but there's a lot of great views. I really like the fixture they have here. It really does go nice with this long table. As we wrap around the entry here, you're gonna see the half bath, which is great because it's great for your guests. I'm a big fan of having a half bath for your guests to use. And they've done a really good job with this one right here. Look, everybody wants to love the home they live in, and part of loving the home that you live in is loving your kitchen. Now, when I talk to a lot of clients right now, they want to have a kitchen that's open concept. What I love about this kitchen and the way this house functions is this is the most open concept you can get. This kitchen is centrally located, and you have the ability to look into the living room and the dining room behind me, and you get to see who's coming in the front door over that direction. But here's the best part, this is the best part. From standing here in my kitchen while I'm watching TV this direction, I am looking out the window to fantastic hill country views.
This kitchen is also great though because it does have stainless appliances. The fridge is gonna stay as well, so you're gonna have a stainless fridge. And look, as you're cooking here, like I said, you get to look out to your living room and dining room, which I know you're gonna love as well. So let's show you more of the kitchen.
One thing that I love, and I know that you're gonna love, is having the bar top right here. Like I said, it's open kitchen living concept, but you have the bar top right here. This really could be a breakfast nook little area for you. They made it a nice little seating area, but you could put a pub table here and enjoy the hill country views, because you're gonna get them from this window. Man, there's just so much to love about this house. I can't really wait to show you the rest. But besides this little nook right here, you do have the living room, and we're going to show you that because the living room is pretty spectacular as well. This house is really great. I mean, so far, what do you think, though? Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think. Is it for you? Is it not for you? Let's hear from you in the comments. And do you want to be in Belterra? Do you want to hear more about Belterra? We'll give you that information in a second. Okay, one thing that I love about this is that your view is going to be the fireplace. From this couch is going to be the fireplace and hill country views. You're going to get sunrise views from these seats. Now, it's kind of hard because the sun's coming in, but we're going to show you some of these views here in a second. But you do get pretty stunning hill country views from these, and this is a wide open living room. So great space to have here. And it's right on the other side of the master bedroom, which we may save the master bedroom for the end of this video. We'll see here.
Hey there, it's me again. Hey, you know, this house has a fireplace. In Texas, it's great to have a fireplace. What's great about this fireplace is I get to sit here, get warm, cuddle with my lady, and look out and look at these beautiful views. So let's talk about Belterra and why so many people want to be in this area. Number one, the schools. This goes to Rooster Elementary, Sycamore Middle, and Dripping Springs High School. This district is rated an A across the board. So this is one of the reasons why people are moving towards Dripping Springs, are moving to neighborhoods like this. Let's talk about Belterra, the community. Everyone that I talk to that wants to move to a nice community wants some amenities. This has lots of pocket little parks throughout. It has a community center. There's a gym here as well. On top of that, there is a very, very large pool. Plus behind me is the basketball court. So you can probably hear the kids playing basketball right now. My son has actually played baseball at the baseball fields here when we practiced for his team. So the amenity center is why people love Belterra 100%. Okay, let's talk about the location to downtown Austin. The location is absolutely phenomenal. You're only about 20 minutes, 25 minutes to downtown. Now look, things are gonna get better with traffic as the Y gets fixed. But then you also want a community that has lots around it. Right next to this is the Belterra Shopping Center. I work out personally at Gold's Gym there every day. Look at these buff arms, okay? I work out there. All right, I walk by it too. There's a lot to do there. There's barbecue, there's lots of food options, and it's a great place that is local, right? Plus, there's a lot of community events. So let's get back to the house, huh?
Let's get back into the house here. I want to start off this section going upstairs. So far, what have you liked about this home? I do want to hear from you in the comments. Is this a home that you would buy? We want to hear from you. Okay, we are headed upstairs. Oh, by the way, if you got this far in the video, which is 8 minutes in, we are doing an open house this weekend, so you can come see me. So come see me at the open house. All right, now this flex space up here is listed as a bedroom. It does have a closet, so this could be a bedroom or a game room. So you could make this a 3-bedroom with a game room, or you could make this a 4-bedroom with an office. Remember, the office is downstairs. They enjoy it right now as a game room flex space, which, look, there's so much room up here. This could be a college kid's dream room right here. You may want to get rid of the French doors for a college kid though, but this is a great space, a great flex space. This is a 4-bedroom. Now, on this side of the house, you don't get the hill country views, but you do get some views of your neighbors from right here, which is great. One thing that I do love about the upstairs is it does flow really well. So you have the full bath right here connected to this bedroom and the other bedroom. That's not a ton of space upstairs. Like, you don't have like this huge upstairs that it's just hard to maintain. This house is great to maintain for 2,800 square foot house. Yes, this house is almost 3,000 square feet. Okay, look, the bathroom up here is fantastic. Like I said, it's a great location for this. We do have the other bedroom up here, which is a gigantic bedroom for a bedroom. You could make this a secondary master bedroom if you wanted to. It is that big. I really love some of the design cues they did in here. Look at the deer above the bed. They did a really good job designing this. And oh, yep, you could make this into a nursery up here as well. You might not. You might put the nursery downstairs. You might turn the office into a nursery. Maybe this becomes your office. Tell me, what are you going to do in this house? Because I have so many plans for this house already, and I don't even own it. You're probably going to buy it, not me. Okay, so we're stepping out of here. I got to show you the next part of this house. Are you ready? Drop a comment. Say, I'm ready for the next part of this video, because the next part of this video is pretty freaking amazing. And you're still here. So if you're made 10 minutes and 35 seconds in the video, say, I'm here. Okay, here we go. As we walk through the living room area, the dining room area, we come to the master bedroom. The best part, the piece de resistance right here, because guess what? You're gonna wake up and have hill country views from this bed, and this is a gigantic bedroom and a great size ensuite with a great size closet, which we're gonna get through and show you all right here in a second. My sellers have loved waking up and looking out at hill country views. They've loved this community. It's unfortunate they have to go, but this home could be yours, which is fantastic. So definitely reach out to us if this is something you want to see. I know we're not done at the end of the video. I'm sad they're leaving, but I'm so excited that this house might become your next home. I mean, look, great size master bathroom, great size. I mean, the whole house, everything is a great size for this entire house.
One of the things that my clients loved about this home when they bought it was that it was on a green belt and these amazing views. Now, when you go to buy this home, you're gonna love those same things. So make sure you reach out to us in the night group. We'd love to show you this home or any other home on the market. We'll see you in the next video.